Hey, Yate. Wanted to show our university, Utah State University, wanted me to start a class, and so I call it "Huizhong Leads the Way." Welcome. But this is a slide, but I wanted to show one slide from our class that I think would be really helpful for the young people today. So here we go. Let's keep going here. Not there yet. We uncovered tons of material here. I think it's here. I hope it's here. Oh, there it is. Right? Right? Is that it? No. No. Right here. All right. This is for you guys that are the little guys. Yeah, the kindergarten, the little guys that are maybe still with the mothers, and now you're going into a new what we call a transition. And so one of the main things I want to talk about is transition. How you go from here to here to here to here, and you'll feel that all the days of your lives. You're going to feel that you changing, changing, changing. It's like somebody said, change is going to always be there. Yeah. Okay. So this presentation is called One Heart, One Heart. Yat eh, One Heart. Oh, let's go One Heart. And one mind. Ado, one vision. That's kind of how I'm going to do this presentation. I'm going to use the little um, plant corn because corn is a sacred plant to our Navajo people. Anyway, I'm going to start right down here. This is also based on the emergent story idea. So we first had what we call the black world. In that black world, things began. Seeds, we were kind of like a seed. We were just kind of like we didn't have a body, we didn't have a spirit, but we just kind of a thought. That's all we were, thought and heart. And in that heart, as today, we depend on certain things. Okay, we depend on love, peace, joy, and harmony. If that's inside us, we feel so good we can do other things. Okay, so in school we need to feel peace, love, joy, and harmony, and teachers want to do their best to give you that place, that feeling of peace, love, and joy, because that what we want that to grow. Okay, we want that to grow to the next level. At first we're dependent. We have others to give us joy, to show us joy and love, and their your mom and your brothers and sisters and all those guys, they grandma, they all decide this child needs happiness, this child needs love, this child needs closeness of various people, and they give it to you, and all of a sudden you say, yeah, eh. You cry out and you laugh. First laugh is a celebration that we do, and then we become independent, right? We become independent because we have so much love and peace and joy and harmony. We want to feel like we're going to the next world. It could be the blue world where we're given more stuff. It could be the yellow world where they say in the yellow world where we finally are given bodies on this planet. And in that independent world, we learn that there's gifts. My dad says there's gifts, right? And tzakis, that's our thoughts. And then not, I means our planning of that thought. And then he says you put it into your life and you use that thought and planning. You learn how to do that. It's kind of a process, a wheel, and a daily thing that we go through. And then it gives us happiness and joy, what we call sehasin. And all of a sudden we find a vision, right? A vision. We might even seek it. We want to get it early, so we go what we call on a vision quest. We go back to where we're dependent on others. We ask, who am I? Why am I here? Or where am I going? We ask our elders and we ask other people. And sometimes we just decide, I'm going to talk to the higher power and through prayer. And all of a sudden we gain what we call a vision. One of those visions might be this idea of Hojon, because Hojon was always in my life, and all of them, most of our grandparents and parents, in the morning they always say in their prayers, Kodo Hojon Dole. And then they talk about various things that give them joy and happiness and peace. And then they say, Hojon sleep, Hojon sleep, Hojon. They feel it in their prayer. They want to have it, and they want to use. Once they have it, they can go out and use it, right? So, and that's how Hojon is. If Hojon is a vision statement, if Hojon is this focus of our lives from day one, when we're born and we grow and we learn and we continue to grow, all of a sudden we might be independent in various ways, but all of a sudden Hojon gives us a bigger picture. The best picture is we become interdependent. We become like a class or like a team, like in basketball or like volleyball or whatever team we go, we form others that join us and we accomplish things. This doesn't just happen in our lives, but we use our vision to say that guides us. So we want more peace, we want more love, we want more joy, and so we set our focus towards uh, one heart, one mind, and one vision. Hojon, let Hojon leads us, let Hojon prepare us, everything. A great example of this is our military, the Ne military, the code talkers. They were able to really focus on, yes, we want peace. Yes, we want love. Yes, we want joy. And we want to go and just help out our land. They did it because of their land. They said, Mother Earth, our mother needs protection. So they went and joined the army and the Marines, and they're able to do something very valuable. They use their language, which is why our past, our things that we learn in our hearts, so important. Language, cultural, history, government, all those things that our people grew up with. The more we know, the better we become independent. And all of a sudden, we do things in the world, just like these guys did. They were part of the world. They say, some people say, if it wasn't for the Navajo Tokars, we could not have taken this island, or this war would be too long probably. Anyway, I want you to become of one heart, one mind, one vision of Hojo. And this is Monument Valley speaking. They gave me this idea of Hojo. I love it. Kachinastole, Yego dole, Nikilta Hajongo, Kedanotsengo, Ekiltano Ligo, Ayo Nenegin Dahni, 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 Hagushin Jono Dainolka, Hagone.